How to make a paracord bracelet, the Vampire Bite, designed by our friend and brother Pavel Makurin, aka Cetus 550. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and this is the trailer for our Patreon only video tutorial how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet created by our friend Pavel over the Cetus 550. So if you wanna support us and join us on the Patreon, you can do so by click on the link down below in the video description, or simply go ahead and check the Patreon Alpha 1982. Enjoy and have fun!